pro strimmer alert, pro strimmer alert. Mrs. Rando, thank you for the sub. You too, thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna knock everything over. And then I'm going to grab my notebook because I'm not gonna print these out, but I think it would be helpful. Let me share the link quickly. Do this, I'm just gonna have it be exclamation mark link. Oh, why are you not working now? There we go. Okay, Saki. Oh, now I'm obligated. That's how it works for sure. Okay, so this is the link to where I am. What web page I'm on. Okay, the Create Room journey. We are lifelong crafters and passionate innovators. We have over 12 years. Oh, and feel free to interrupt me, ask questions, share your experience in the chat. We're going to be talking about something like discovering our creative purpose and identifying barriers. I'm really excited for the identify barriers part. I think that's gonna be super useful for me. And if you have your own ideas, suggestions, your own experiences you wanna share, please do. And let's do step 1. So some of these, okay, so there's discover your creative purpose. Some of them have to do with actual organization. I'm not gonna do that today. That'll be another stream. Identify barriers, create goals, the get organized. I'm definitely gonna stop there because I'm not ready to actually do the physical organization yet, but we'll do that soon. And I would love your opinion on whether you think this is useful or not. Because I like the idea of the organizer, but let's see if the whole process is useful. Okay, the first step is to help you clearly see the role creativity plays in your life and why you value it. And it's a critical place to start. It gives you the motivation to organize well. And that's interesting because I haven't really try to put into words like why I like to make things, why I like to create things. Oh, Saki, are there any that you recommend that you want to put in chat? Explore your creative personality. What does this mean? We're gonna learn about ourselves. Okay, we have expression, connection, growth, calm, energy, renewal, and joy. I do like using the word joy. Submersive, thank you. Okay, so there's a template here. Let's pull that up. Oh, I think I already did pull it up. Okay, so if you're interested in following along, you can click the template link on the website, but I think I already have it up here. Yes. And I'm gonna see, okay, it's okay if you don't finish them all. It's important to reflect on the core needs that you're most drawn to. As you reflect on each experience, make notes on what were you creating? Who or what was it for? Were you alone or with others? I mean, it's kind of hard to say. I guess if it's streaming, I'm going to say with others. And describe the environment. Oh, yes, Saki, that sounds good. Oh, subversive, yeah. Not submarines. Certainly buying into the why aspect. Yeah, Shan, feel free to go all critical with this. I would love to know what you think. Okay, so we want to put this on. Nope. Where's PDF? Oh, I did it. Okay, here. This is where we want to be. So, okay, recall a crafting experience that provided expression. I want to make my mark. I feel like that would be more woodworking. I have ideas for woodworking. I'm not a woodworker, but I would love to be able to do some woodworking at some point, even just small things. I was looking at those wood pen blanks during the auction. I bid on one for a little bit, but then decided to hold off because it's not something I'm doing right now. I feel like I want to make my mark. I don't feel like I'm doing that right now. Maybe with the resin dominoes I could do that. Trying to be creative. You know, yeah, making my mark, maybe it's trying to be creative, coming up with new things. And for me, it's the resin work because I'm combining things in to me, a new and different way. And I would love to hear if any of you can think of experiences that relate to this for me, that maybe make you think of this for me or yourself. Way cool. What do I want my mark to be? Yeah, it is hard, Shan, because I think it can be useful for some people. Some people, maybe it's just not what you want or need right now, but I'm finding it interesting to think through everything. Okay, what do I want my mark to be? I mean, when I think of what I want my mark to be when it comes to my job, in terms of my job or in terms of what I create, I want to make people happy. And I guess I am doing that. Maybe I should pull up a sticker design. I should show you all that I'm making. Where is it? Did I show you the Embrace the Chaos sticker? I do love that. So just like little fun things like that. And what else do I make? The resin work, the jewelry. I just want it to be things that make people happy. When I see the phrase, I want to make my mark, it makes me think of having something that's identifiably yours. But that's kind of hard to do with stickers and such. I'm not an artist or an illustrator. But I did feel that way making like emotes for people and designs for them. I guess like I make art and I illustrate things, but I guess I'm not comfortable saying I am an artist or an illustrator yet. Maybe once I get a little better at it, I'll feel differently. But okay, well, expression, maybe that is more important to me than I thought. Growth, I do love to learn new skills, as you all probably know already. I'm so interested in all the different makings that everyone does. And when I have the space, I want to have a mini woodworking workshop. I want a baby lathe, just a little baby lathe, you know, for wee dishes and pens. I think that would be amazing. I don't understand, did I really sign up for this? For me, I don't know what that means. With growth, yeah, I think for me, growth is about learning new skills and getting better at things. And did I really sign up for this? I still don't know what that means, really. Infant game, find your way. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, see you later, way cool, good luck. A few books. Okay, I wrote the name down, I'll look it up. I will definitely do that. Cool, okay. So what do you all think when it comes to growth? Do you find what you make and create to help you grow? I think it does help me grow, just not in the did I really sign up for this type of way. I want to hear all of your opinions and experiences. This is like a chat, a conversation we can have. So did you choose to do everything as part of the making, or did you do it because others said it was the right thing to do? Oh yeah, like for making, it's because I wanted to. Yeah, it was all, no one said that it was the right thing to do. Law, my parents, or at least, yeah, my parents said I would be good at it, but I didn't really consider it until a few years ago. And I felt like at that point it became really my decision and something that I wanted to do for myself. When it comes to Twitch, there aren't really people like in person who understand Twitch and how it works. Like with this job being on Twitch, with my new job, being on Twitch and being part of the community was really helpful and beneficial. But yeah, I think this is all stuff I'm doing because I want to do it, not because someone said it makes sense. Which is nice, which is really nice. And I like that being the way that I create, that it's something that's self-driven. Hi, baby. Teddy is ready to play. Is it not your nap time? Is it not time for a nap? Okay, so renewal. Let me actually pull up the website. Are they gonna give us more info? No, we're gonna do that first. Okay, then we come back. Like a cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day. I think it's a toss-up for me because sometimes I'm really trying hard to do a really good job to come up with something new, and that can be a little draining, but in a way where you feel good that you did it. You feel like you got something done. And streaming too, with renewal. It's a toss-up for me. Sometimes I'm really tired after a stream, and sometimes I'm super hype. And I think overall, it's very rewarding. That's why I'm doing it. And I love spending time with all of you and being in chat. I love being in chat and seeing what everyone is working on. So that makes me really happy. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking with that. Okay. Joy, is it just me or are there birds chirping? I don't understand that. But it definitely brings me joy to create things. I love it. I love making things. It makes me so happy. Energy, pump up the music crafting is my jam. I think for me, where did I put his, oh, it's right here, his fruits. I think right now there's a little more stress, and this goes for calm too. Let's combine these. There's a little more stress and maybe a little bit of frustration involved when it comes to the making I do because I don't have the right space for it. And that's why I was looking at solutions and how I got familiar with the Create Room products, I guess, in general, where 20, hi, 10 months, thank you. We're doing the organization thing. And I announced my job, just so you know. But for me, I think once I have the right setup, like I'll be able to get into the zone more. I'll be that steady boat floating down the river. Last one is connection. We're having a moment together. I do feel this way. Oh boy, well, if you can find me one for a good price, I'd love that. That would be ideal. A garage. I would turn a garage to a shop. Okay, we're having a moment together. So when I'm on my own, you know, I like having that quiet and focus and just doing my thing. And it's funny because sometimes I really feel like talking through what I'm doing, which is when I stream it. Or if I just want to be quiet and just enjoy, that's when I do something off stream. But I think this is where I love being in chat because I can connect with the people who are making and learn things and just really see the different things that people are making. Oh my gosh, 20, right? So yeah, we just went through this. That was an interesting chat to have about it. Didn't take too long. Define your core creative purpose. Go back to the sheet and number them in order according to which experiences were easy to recall or which were the most meaningful to you. Okay, so most meaningful. I like expression. I don't think it's connection. Definitely growth. And joy, maybe? Also renewal. Okay. It's not energized and excitement and zest. Okay, so my top 4 are expression. What did I say? Growth. Joy. You know, I don't think renewal is one either. I think... No, I do feel a reset from it and renewal. So let's try to really find what my number 1 and number 2 are. Exactly. Growth, joy, and rioting. Those are me for sure. I'm gonna grab my, I got some new erasable pens in and they're glitter. So I'm gonna grab those because that's fun. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be hard. I'm trying to figure out my top 3. Express, share my unique voice. I don't think expression is one of my top 2. Growth is definitely a top 1. I think growth might be number 1. And then I'm thinking joy because I was not sure about renewal. Okay, so for me, number 1 is growth and number 2 is joy. So 20, you got it. My top 3 are growth, joy, and rioting. Okay, we're going to picture my success. Oh, okay, so that we're almost at the end of step 1. And then maybe you all can help me choose what features my DreamBox will have. That would be really helpful. Hey, Sai, how are you? Okay, let's take some time now to envision future creative experiences in the ideal environment to fulfill your creative purposes. Yes, I want to make an ideal environment because I don't know about all of you, but my environment really affects my mood and how productive I am and how happy I am. Where if things are neat and orderly and nice and just full of items I like and comfy cozy, I'm ready to go. Is growth number 1? Yeah, so growth I put as number 1 and joy I put as number 2. So, like, I think the make people happy thing has to do with streaming and selling items, but growth is there no matter what, whether I'm like sharing what I'm doing or not. I still want to learn how to do different things. So that's my guess. Yeah, that's why I ranked it how I did. I don't think there's necessarily a right or a wrong way to rank them for me. I just like, it's hard for me to rank things like that. Just my top 2, I would call it. Okay. We are going to write it down and be specific. Someone with creative purposes and renewal with connection and joy as secondary might envision something like this. I have my own creative space where I can go to feel refreshed. There's enough room for my loved ones to join me. That would be cool. Okay, the things I create are primarily to bring happiness to others. Okay, that's kind of close to what I would like, which is really good. Okay, so I'm gonna make my own version of this. I have... Oh, that's not how you write a word. Okay, words have spaces. I have my own creative space where, I'm gonna say where everything has a home. That's really important to me. Maybe not Wrench's Woodworks level of everything has a home, but everything still has a home. Okay, so what I said, I have my own creative space where everything has a home. And it's easy to find. There's enough room for me to film and stream. And the last sentence I like a lot. It says, the things I create are primarily to bring happiness to others. A dingle? Scooby! Oh! We're gonna have a sticker giveaway! Thank you, Scooby! Things I create are primarily to bring, I'm gonna say joy. I just like that word. Joy to others. Okay, it says, keep this somewhere you can refer back to. I have it in my notebook. Recommend printing out core creative purpose. Writing your vision statement on the back, maybe. Okay, let's see. So I said growth and joy are big ones. So let's see what this says. I create to learn and grow, for sure. I seek new experiences and challenges. That is for sure me. I love learning new skills. And then the other one was joy. I create to share and experience joy. I seek happiness and positivity. That's pretty great. Let me go through the rest of these and then we'll get on to step 2. Actually, I'm gonna be big smart. We did growth and joy. Okay, cool. Calm. I create to escape and relax. I seek less stress and more peace. So I'm curious, which one of these do you all kind of like? I don't know. I told you which ones I like. Expression. I create to express myself. I seek to share my unique voice. And then we got connection. I create to connect. I seek deeper meaning in all things. Energy is I create to feel energized. I seek more excitement and zest for life. And then we got renewal. I create to release and reset. I seek refreshment. These are all really good reasons to make things.